Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to make your background transparent. Now let's begin. Here I already have an image that I have uploaded. I just changed the background color to white. You do the same as well. Now on the top right, you will see something like share. Simply click on it and go to download. In the download section, you will find something like a transparent background section. Simply click on it. Do remember, it is a Canva Pro feature. After you have enabled transparent background, simply click on download. The image is downloaded. Now again, let's download without the transparent background option. We have downloaded using both methods. Now let us test them. I have these two images, group images. It has the transparent background, and the other one, it has the white background. That is it guys, that is how you make your background transparent in Canva. Hope you found this video helpful. For more informative videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.